Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I just want us to talk about restoration, since we are talking about my turnaround. Restoration comes after you have lost something, and it happens after you have been in loss or failed in something. So there's a scripture in the Bible that I love that comes from Joel 2 verse 25. It says that I will restore or replace for you the years that the locust has eaten, the hopping locust, the stripping locust, and the crawling locust, my great army which I sent to you. So this is the scripture that I live by. Why? Because I believe that life happens all the time and anytime. However, after anything bad that has happened to each of us, there's always a way out of it. The Bible also says that all things work together for our good. So I want to encourage you guys and give you hope that it doesn't matter what is it that you are facing. It doesn't matter how life is treating you today. Just keep in mind that all things work together for your good, and that everything that you desire and everything that you are hoping for will surely come to pass, and it will be restored to you, not the way it was, but the way which is way much better than what you had before. So keep the faith, have hope, don't lose hope no matter what. Keep on believing that restoration will find you and it will happen in your life. Thank you.